Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get DeepSeek API. Firstly, go to DeepSeek Open Platform and log in to generate your API key. On the left sidebar, find API keys and create a new one. Copy it. It's important, you won't be able to view it again, so store it securely. Now let's use Python to make an API request. Just copy or write this code down your Python, including DeepSeek's commands. If you prefer a no-code approach, use api-doc. Log in, create a new HTTP project in environment management, set base URL to api.deepseek.com. Add a variable named API key and pass your DeepSeek API key. And finally save and start testing API calls. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate DeepSeek AI into your apps. Like and subscribe for more tech and AI tutorials.